Good mornings. Good mornings. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let's get started in a couple of minutes. All right. Let's get started. So Twitter, I didn't hold it overnight. I sold it before the close since it closed pretty weak. And I didn't want to risk a gap down since I held 100,000 shares. And now, obviously it was gapping up, but now it looks like it's fading the gap. Tesla did hold overnight since it closed. It popped into the close, and I was watching it the moment they released the earnings. I had my finger ready to sell everything in case it gapped down, but it gapped up, so that's nice. Let's see where it can go. I am willing to add opening range highs. I'm willing to add on it. And Twitter, look, if it takes out opening range highs, if it has nice volume and everything, I may add to it. Or I may buy some, but I'm not super excited about it. It's pretty weak. Yeah, I went from long on Tesla. I went from, in the past few weeks, I went from long to short to long. That's what you need to do. You have to follow price. Can't have opinions. Or you can have opinions, but you always need to trade price. And obviously it's kind of easy with a ultra liquid high price stock like Tesla. It's very easy to just switch your position. And it's a very technical trader friendly stock. Maybe the most technical trader friendly stock there is, like ever. Other than Twitter and Tesla, I'm not really watching much out of the gate. This NCLH broke down late day yesterday. I'm not really super excited shorting these things, but CCL looks weak. I don't know. And there is a bunch of things I'm looking at on the long side. Not really super excited about any of those, but we'll see. I think Bitcoin broke out yesterday, didn't it? Yeah, it did break out of a tight consolidation. Bitcoin is a big flag. Multi-month flag. Really good looking chart. Ethereum looks exactly the same too. Ethereum is a bit stronger. So I'm thinking about doing some GBTC opening range highs. This thing could double if Bitcoin keeps going. Fastly long, yeah, sure. Hopefully, I mean, look, ideal this thing goes sideways a bit more, but it does look decent. Chumi had a secondary. Let's see how they absorb it. Right now, it's right on the rising 20 EMA on the 60-minute chart. BNTX had an offering. Tesla just popped. Riot? Well, I can tell you why not Riot. Because it's super illiquid. And Mara too. Mara actually broke out yesterday, or it faded back in the close. These things are too illiquid. I can't trade these things. There's no volume here. Or the dollar volume is very low. Unless they get a little bit more. I mean, the shorts on both look pretty good, but again, the dollar volume is so low. But yes, the shorts look good. All right, market opens up any second. Let's see what we get. Again, we are kind of in slow grind mode in the market. It's not as aggressive as it has been. So gotta be more selective. AMD is like enormous miss for me from yesterday. All right, markets are open. Let's see what we have here. Twitter is having a strong candle. Tesla is having a weak candle. I bought some Twitter, 50,000 shares. I added to Tesla too, 1,100 shares. I just got stopped out of the Tesla ad. Took a $23,000 loss on that ad. Oh wow, things are breaking down. See a lot of things breaking down. Twitter is gonna stop me out too, I think. Plug is losing the 20-day moving average here. Oh, Twitter is going. Okay, I bought another 100,000 shares of Twitter. Fuck this shit. Let's go. Or not 100,000. I put another 50,000. I mean, I have 100,000 total. Now I'm probably gonna get stopped out. AAL is now breaking down. Plug is so far holding a higher low. Damn, this Twitter, what the fuck? I actually see what now what's happening here. It got rejected at the $39 area exactly. Like it, this thing was a big level in pre-market. Fuck. I'm gonna take a fat loss on it if it stops me out. Twitter stop is lows of the day. As always, guys, you know this by now. Lows of the day. NVAX, yeah, it is. It is flagging. Let's see if this workhorse can finally get going. Interesting. Small caps are leading today. Yep, small caps are leading. Oh, D-Dog, come on. This thing stopped me out like 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago. Now it's perking higher. Twitter volume so far is decent. It's almost half of the average already, which is a good sign. Tesla is not acting well right now. Yep, it got rejected at VWAP and now it's about to take out the lows of the day again. We'll see how it holds the base here in the 1580s. RCL is taking out lows of the day. Damn, these things are breaking down. Fuck this. I need to short some of them. I need to short some of them. Who the hell is calling me now? Fuck off. No. Okay, I just shorted 100,000 shares of this NCLH. I have to be short some of this. They're all breaking down. Maybe I should short like CCL also. They are breaking down. Should I do RCL or CCL? That's the question. Okay, I just shorted 30,000 of RCL too. I'm going short the cruise lines here. Going short the cruise lines. APT is giving a tingly pant feeling. Yeah, this thing is gonna go to 50. Just wait. Oh, Roku. Wow. Look at where Roku found support. You see this white magic line? Look at where it found support on the 60-minute chart. Yeah, the magic line worked, right? It's good to have these magic lines on your charts. They're pretty helpful. They're pretty helpful. All you need to be a profitable trader is a good setup, good risk management, and some magic. No rocket science involved. Who needs rocket science when you can have magic, right? Rocket science is for losers. I'll take magic over rocket science any day of the week. Damn, this Roku. Should I add to this thing? I should, kinda. We'll see. I'm gonna wait for this candle to develop, and then I'll add. I'll double my position. Oh, GBTC triggered. Yeah, okay. Is it gonna go? Is GBTC gonna go? Yeah, Chumia, there's demand for that thing. Looks great. Tesla is weak. I bought 50,000 shares of this GBTC. Okay, Twitter is shaping up better. It's all getting close. It's at like at. Okay, now it's at half of the average daily volume, so the volume is pretty good. BNTX absorbing the offering well. It held the rising 20 EMA on the 60-minute chart very well. Now it's bouncing off of it. Also building another higher low on the daily chart. Chumi undercut and bounced off the rising 20 EMA. I'm telling you, these lights are pretty good. These stupid lines, they kind of work. Blink for a long. Yeah, it held the rising 20 EMA. A lot of stocks holding the rising 20 EMA. Yeah, AMU, like the whole semi sector is good. Like some of its competitors beat like a couple of days ago and yesterday or something, like SK Hymix or whatever the name of the companies that they beat, I think. It's just coming out a big range, so you know it could be interesting. Could be interesting. Oh, I went green on Twitter! Yay! So far, my cruise line shorts are not working very well. Fuck these cruise lines. Can they go bankrupt already, please? I'm only saying that because I'm short. Otherwise, I wouldn't wish them to go bankrupt. Wait, Hertz is going red? No, it's not. It just bounced off the lows. It's about to go green. Held the rising 10 EMA. Don't worry, they're Robin Hooders. They're gonna come back to it. They won't let this thing be red for long. Trust me on that one. Robin Hooders are not gonna let us down. They let us down on Mark. They let us down on IMPX. But they're not gonna let us down on Hertz. Exactly. Twitter! Should I go nuts and buy another 50,000 shares if it takes out highs of the day? Do I have the balls to own 150,000 shares of Twitter? With a $1.50 stop? I'm tempted to buy another 50k shares on Twitter just because I can. Just because, why the fuck not? Tesla is acting like shit. Where is Elon supporting the stock? Come on, Elon. Elon should go on Twitter and say Tesla is a fraud and it's gonna be at 2000 in no time. If there is one stock consensus doesn't matter, it's Tesla. Really doesn't matter what anyone thinks. Everyone's been wrong on it. Except for the crazy bulls. Except for the people who were calling 1,000 and 2,000 plus like a couple of years ago. Everyone thought they were total idiots, and here we are. It's so fucking funny. I love it. Okay, MU. It's getting interest here. I don't know. Should I buy it? I'm gonna buy a small position. I'm gonna buy a small starter on MU. Just because why not? I'll buy 30,000 shares. 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 30,000 sha Okay, I bought a starter MU. It's a slow name. I didn't realize how slow it is. Whatever. Okay, whatever. Let's go. I missed AMD yesterday. I'm not gonna miss this one. It's coming out of big flag. Just look at this flag on the weekly chart. It looks beautiful. You have higher lows for like forever, and then you have this. You know, it looks great, and the whole sector is breaking out. AMD broke out yesterday. Nvidia, this thing has been going for a while. Let's see what we get there. Wait, CCL is at lows. RCL, NCLH, okay. So plug undercut and held the rising 20-day for now. That's a good sign. When you get an undercut and reclaim of a key moving average, that's a good thing. That's a bullish sign. Netflix is breaking below the 20-day though. Wait, Tesla is negative on the day? Those bastards. Wait, Dal went green on the day? Okay. Okay, so Tesla is so far holding the rising 10 EMA on the 60-minute chart. So it's building higher lows for now. Higher lows for now. That's a good sign. Twitter is right at this pre-market level. Okay, it actually went through that 39. I didn't add. I'm not gonna go crazy. I bought the MU and some other stuff. Or actually, I only bought the MU. Not other stuff. A lot of stocks are looking very good. I want to focus on the ones that are just coming out of big bases like Twitter and MU. And Roku has a very nice early flag too. Like a lot of the other names, they're very extended. Yeah, EMD, if it can have a nice pullback or flag, yeah, absolutely. Or, well, I don't really buy pullbacks per se, but if it starts, pullbacks and builds a little bit of a flag, yeah, sure. No, I have never bought more than 5% of a company's stock. No. What do you mean Tesla can't always go up? What kind of heresy is that? What do you mean Tesla can't? Of course it can always go up. HEQ. They're doing what? Yeah, it is. Yeah, I know. I know. I'm waiting for a good setup on HEQ. I am stalking it. I did miss the gold train. Like I actually did trade Chainag a couple of months back, but I got stopped out like twice, and then it went, and now it's like 60% higher. Super annoying. So far Tesla is acting well. Nope, I'm not adding here. I'm only adding on a good setup. This solo does look good. And NIO is building a nice little flag too. If we can go sideways a few more days, it's gonna be a great setup. It's gonna be the greatest setup of all time. Yeah. I like the fact that Plug built another higher low and it undercut and reclaimed the 20-day moving average. If it can hold in this range, it's gonna be a main breakout watch for tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. Okay, Tesla is trying to go lower again. MU is going nicely. I just wish I had bought MU a little bit lower, like 50 cents lower or something. That would have been good. This solo is interesting. Nah, I'm not gonna trade it. Apple is breaking down. What? Or it's about to. Wow, Apple short looks very vulnerable here. Wow, does it look vulnerable or what? Microsoft, Amazon. Apple. Netflix, it looks also like it wants to pull back a little bit. NIO? What do you mean? It's going lower. I'm gonna add both to my RCL and NCLH shorts if they start weakening. The market is still like, it's the same thing like it's been like the past 10 sessions or so. It's just kind of no choose at all. Yeah, Twitter looks awesome. Okay, Tesla is not looking great here. Unless it can't bounce here, I may get stopped out. I'm gonna lock in a profit no matter what. But obviously I really wanted that thing to go to 2000. Yep, Apple is weakening. Should I short Apple? But I'm long MU. Isn't Apple also like a semiconductor stock? mRNA is weakening. There's just too many stocks that are showing strength and weakness at the same time. It's kind of confusing. That's what makes a market dangerous, when you get to see these contradictory signals. Jumia is weakening here. Okay, Tesla, please bounce. Please bounce. You need to bounce here, Tesla. You need to bounce here. Come on. Come on. No. Go up. Go up. No, Tesla, go up. Up, up, up. Come on. Come on. It's right. It almost traded to my stop. Come on. Bounce here. Come on. I want to see green candle. Come on, Elon. Tweet something. Oh, for fuck. Elon! Come on, Elon. Bounce. Please. Bounce, come on. I can't look at it. It's too... Oh, come on. You should never look at the tick-to-tick action on your stocks. No, it stopped me out. Okay, whatever. I locked in a small profit on it. Okay, it wants to go lower. And now it's probably gonna bounce. Now I'm gonna look for short setups in the coming days. It lost the rising 20 EMA. Next support is gonna be the 10-day moving average, which is just slightly lower, and this rising 65 EMA. And after that, there's a lot of air to the downside. All right. Thanks, Elon, for nothing. Thanks. No, I haven't sacrificed any animals yet. AHPI is breakout day lows. That's where it is. Tesla getting rid of the non-believers. Yes. Maybe. Maybe not. AXNX, yeah, it looks good. This thing has insane revenue growth. Absolutely insane. They have this new medical device. And yeah, but they're not profitable yet. Yeah, this thing, it's thin though. Very thin. I'm the nicest cult leader ever. I don't do sacrifices. I should sacrifice one of you guys. Don't check Tesla. Yeah, I shouldn't have checked Tesla. It's bouncing right off the rising 10-day. That's okay. Look, over 1620, I may rebuy it. If it builds like higher lows and builds a few narrow candles, I'm gonna rebuy it. We'll see. Okay, I added more RCL and NCLH. I have a $2 million position in both of these now. They're showing weakness. These cruise lines, they're all gonna go bankrupt. I think, was it CCL? No, it was RCL, Royal Caribbean, that said they're not gonna resume cruises until like December or something. Fuck Tesla. I'm using the SMA on the daily and EMA on the 60-minute charts. You can see it right here on my display. On the daily, I have moving averages, except for the exponential 65, and on the hourly, I have exponential. I just shorted 10,000 shares of Apple. Let's fucking do this thing. Let's get this thing down to 350. What I think of MIK, Michael's companies. Decent looking flag. On a beaten down stock. Yeah, I mean, look, it looks good. It looks good. The sector has been hot. Like the sector, like all of the sector stocks broke out yesterday. So this is a little bit of a laggard. I would have liked it more if it broke out yesterday, but you know, it can work. It can work. All the retail names had strong day yesterday. Dun 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 dun. And now Apple is bouncing. Come on. And Tesla is bouncing. Ugh. Why is space spacing? Because it's new CEO. A good chart. I mean, the new CEO, that's no joke. It's a Disney head of international parks. And this base is a tourism company, so I think that may work out really well. There are some COVID names that are weakening, like VXRT. If it loses the 10-day moving average, it has some room to fall. This thing is up from $2 in just like a month or a month and a half, and it's a 14 now. mRNA is weakening. INO, not so much yet. What's the volume on this thing? VXRT. Okay. Wait, when is Apple earnings? Oh, okay, next week. Never mind. Okay. All right. Yeah, Codex is strong. Yeah, some of them are strong. Codex is strong. Save is weak. Maybe I should have shorted some airlines too. What about UAL? UAL is strong though. And DAL too. Wait, okay, airlines are much stronger than the cruise line, except for Save. That one is weak. Why is that one so weak? Oh, the cruise lines look like shit. Oh boy. Oh, Tesla, come on! What was that? Very unnecessary, Elon. Very unnecessary. Totally unnecessary, Elon. NVAX is still going. No. Is there any end to it? You know, look, it's gonna be a top short watch. This thing is up 3,100% this year, okay? This thing is up 3,100%. No, more. 3,800% since early January, okay? It's gonna be it's gonna be great short. But it needs, the momentum needs to shift, okay? It needs to either do a parabolic or it needs to find backside. Right now it's just building higher lows. It's above all the moving averages on the 60-minute chart. There's just nothing here right now. This thing could go to 200. Yeah, Nikola is just going lower. Yep. Tandem, yeah, Tandem is a good looking one. Oh, Tesla, no! Stop it. Stop this madness. Stop Tesla. Stop this bullshit. Yep, bounced right off the rising 10-day, and I got shaken out. It did an undercut and reclaim. Undercut and reclaim on the 60-minute chart. LVGO wants to go today. Yes, it wants to go today. That looks, yeah. This thing is gonna go to 150 without me. Fuck. Fuck. Why didn't I follow my rules? I didn't follow my rules. What can I say? What is this? Meg. Anything interesting? What's the other one? ACM. No. I don't know what it is. When is the rule blog? Sometime within the next 5 to 500 days. I'm just super lazy. I most days I just don't have the I just don't feel like it, like doing a blog or a video, or I need to like feel it. My cat, yeah, he can type the rules out. Could you please sell Tesla, go short? No, I already sold my Tesla. I already saw. Oh, for fuck's sake! Oh, this damn undercut. Codex looks great though. I wish I had those 12,000 or 10,244 shares that I overbought and scalped for 1 penny. But I still have most of my 30k that I kept. I only sold tiny bits so far. This thing can go. Looks great. Just coming out of a base. My cat's name is Loke. Loke. Dum 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 dum. Apple. Looks like it's also an undercut. Looks like it wants to reclaim. We'll see. Fastly looks strong. Damn you, Tesla. Damn you. LAC, is it going? Yeah, I took out yesterday's highs. Found support on the rising 65 EMA on the 60-minute chart. Perfect bounce. Another one of these magic lines. It bounced exactly on S1. What the hell is S1? It bounced right off the 10-day moving average. I have no idea what S1 is. Season 1 of One Punch. I don't know what the hell you guys are talking about. I don't know what you guys are talking about. It's anime. I don't watch anime. One Punch Man. I'm not into Japanese stuff. I'm just not into it. I just don't really. I'm not a fan of Japanese stuff. Actually racist? Yes. Who did I offend now? What about what? JAV stuff? Guys, I don't know what the what are you talking? What is JAV? I don't know. I don't know what these things are. JAV. Oh, okay. JAV. I just googled it. Free Japanese porn videos, Asian porn tube. You perverts. What does JAV stand for? Like, what is it? Oh, Japanese adult video. Okay, okay, I get it. Pretending he doesn't know. I'm not pretending. I'm actually surprised and oh, you fuckers. Good acting. Shut up. Ah! What the hell happened to Apple? I'm like instantly down 50k on it. What the hell happened? Okay. Thanks for that. I needed... Oh no, that was a... Okay, never mind. There was some kind of a misprint on my platform. Because I went from down like 10k to 50k in like 1 second. I thought they had news or something. But the platform just showed the wrong number for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, I love Family Guy. Japanese animal videos? Oh, Dean. Yeah, I did create a sex cult, a Japanese sex cult. Apparently. I don't know how the hell that happened, but... Apparently. My porn acting? What is S2? Like, what is it? I don't know what they are. What do you mean S1 and S2? Like, what are they? What is S2 and S1? Daily pivots? Yeah, but how can I find them? Like, where? There's many daily pivots. There are pivots everywhere. Like, what are these S1, S2? How do I find them? Turn on your platform. Oh, they're in my platform? Where? Add plot? S1? I don't have it. S1? Pivot points? Pivot points? I mean, what the hell is this? There's just some random lines. I mean, how the hell do I get rid of these? Oh, come on, what is this? Oh, fuck. Like, these are just evenly spaced random lines. This is evenly spaced random lines. How the hell do I get rid of these? Oh, fuck. I want to get rid of these lines. Oh, come on. I want to get rid of them. They're not random, they're magic. Try on 60-minute chart? No, because then I have all these randomly spaced lines that I can get rid of my 60-minute chart. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna reload. I'm gonna reload this this space. No. Open layout. I'll reload this one. No, I'm actually gonna do this. Open workspace. No. They will tell me exactly what the stock will do. Somehow I... Oh yeah, you're right. Yeah. It's up here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna add it again. And yeah, you're right. I didn't have to reload. I just forgot. Yeah, exactly. They're here. Yeah, but like, I mean, why are these pivot points this wide on BNTX, for example? Like, how is this thing calculated? Why are they this wide on BNTX and why are they this narrow on Apple, for example? I mean, like, what the hell am I gonna do with this? I can't even see the chart. I gotta put it on the 60-minute chart too. I won't be able to see shit here. I'm gonna train blind. Look at this. I'm gonna add everything. Acceleration bands. I'm gonna add some selective oscillator. I'm gonna this cock-pock curve. Look at this thing, cock-pock curve. What the hell is that? Options Vega. I'm gonna add some volume at price. Hey, I'm gonna add a Andrews pitchfork. Here's an Andrews pitchfork. Look at this thing. Guys, subscribe to my paid service, please. Balance of power. Hey, Bollinger Bands? Why not? Guys, what do you think is a fair pricing for my upcoming paid service? Do you guys think 500 is too expensive or too cheap? Scanplot. What the hell is that? Williams percent %R. Oh, VWAP. Oh, nice. I needed VWAP. Too expensive? But if I add more indicators, like let's say I do $50 per month for every indicator. So I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's like I'm at like $750 right now per month. It's a steal. It's the cheapest ever. Okay, much better. Much better. Oh, pivot. Okay, let's see. I missed some comments here. Fibonacci times 4. They're based on the previous day's range. Add to 60-minute chart and look at Apple and Tesla bounce. Pivot points. Apple. Tesla. But they're just showing these tight ranges. They're not showing me anything really. Like there's a range here on the 60-minute chart, then you have a range here, then you have a range here, right? You have a range here. And Apple too, it's just showing me the lows, like this range here. Like there's no need for this indicator. Like you can clearly see it on the chart. Except this indicator just messes up. So you can't see the chart. Oh, for fuck's sake, Tesla, no! Oh my god, Tesla, what the hell? No! Don't do this! Why are you doing this to me, Tesla? Well, I guess Elon woke up. He was asleep, but now he woke up. Okay, Roku, I'm thinking about adding to this thing. Gonna double up my position. Let's see here, 6. Gonna double my position. OnlyFans premium tier gives you 10 indicators. WAG indicator. What's the WAG? Okay, Roku, I think I just bought another WAG. What is that? There is no such indicator. I just added, doubled up my... I'm long 16,000 on Roku now. Yeah, cockpock. That was a funny indicator. Cock. Wait, where was it? See, yeah, cockpock curve. Peloton, is it forming a high flag? Yeah, kind of. Oh, wild ass guessing, that's what WAG is? Oh, Tesla, no fucking way. No fucking way. Fuck Tesla. Oh man, I can't believe what Tesla just did to me. Wow, no way. No. It bounced perfectly off the 10-day moving average. Oh my god. Let's see, where did my order get filled? It got filled at... My order got filled at 15.55.89, and the lows of this pivot is... Okay, so I got filled at $4 of... from the lows. Oh my god, I'm gonna vomit here. Oh my god, now it's gonna go to 2,000. Okay, I'm gonna wait for a 60-minute range to develop. Then I'm gonna start building a position again. It had to do this undercut of the rising 20-day and undercut of this recent range. It just had to, right? Well, shit happens. Sometimes shit happens. It is what it is. NVAX? Yeah, well, it's still right at support. It needs time. Oh, okay, some of the airlines are bouncing. Oh, okay. I don't like that. That means my cruise lines are still weak though. Okay, cruise lines are not bouncing. Okay, airlines are much stronger. Well, I guess airlines are system critical and cruise lines are not, so. Whoa, my Andrews pitchfork is still here. How are you supposed to use this indicator? I'll put it here. Oh, all these stupid indicators. Andrews pitchfork. What the fuck? I have to Google that. Andrews pitchfork. Yeah, I already looked at Livongo. It looks great. The entry was 3 or 4 days ago. 3 days ago was the entry. If you didn't get shaken out like I was. Andrews pitchfork. Who invented this indicator? I don't really. He made billions with that fork. Okay. Quind indicator. I don't know what Quind indicator is. I don't have an indicator. If I'm gonna have an indicator, it's just gonna be a chart with the price and volume, nothing else. And not even the volume, but the dollar volume. Instead of the share volume. I think dollar volume is so much more helpful. Like a dollar volume indicator. So much better than the share volume. Like the price and dollar volume. That's it. In an ideal world. That is. Yeah, I also find it pointless. Like, oh, the Dow is up 100 points. It's like, it's meaningless. Like, because 100 points down at 18,000 is much different than 100 points up at 27,000, right? It's just like, it's so stupid, people using points. Or oh, Apple is down 5 points. It's like, it's totally meaningless. Like, Apple at 383 being down 5 points is completely different than Apple at 220 being down 5 points, right? Yeah, I don't understand either why people don't just use percentages. It's just so stupid. Because at 1.48% it's gonna be 1.48% no matter what price the stock is. A standard ATR indicator? No, I don't agree. I think ATR is very good because ATR is dynamic. It's just a volatility indicator. Okay, Apple taking out lows. Yeah. Oh, you mean, yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I agree. Yeah. Yeah, instead of ATR being calculated in percent. Yeah, I agree. I have ATR down here because one of my rules is I shouldn't buy a stock if it's up more than its ATR. So for example, unless it gaps up on like earnings or something, then it's a different thing. But let's say if it's breaking out, like MU for example, where did I buy it? Like 53. Yesterday's close was 51.65. So I bought it when it was up a $1.35 and the ATR is 168. So that was fine, but if it had been another, say 53.50, I couldn't have bought it because the stock would have been up too much. But holy shit, it's going straight up. Why didn't I buy 50,000 shares of this thing? I only bought a small starter, 30k shares. Why didn't I buy more? Twitter is strong. Lulu, why I didn't buy it over what? 322? Because it's a slow stock, that's why I didn't buy it. I just didn't trust it. But yeah, it's going. Ford, yeah, sorry, I know someone, wait, Ford is showing strength? No, it's not. Ford is absolutely not showing strength. Because someone mentioned this Ford ticker like an hour ago, but I didn't have the time to answer it. There's absolutely nothing here. Yeah, Ford Bronco looks awesome. Holy shit. Are you talking about the stock or the company? Like the ticker or the company? Oh, Ford F. Yeah. Oh yeah, but Bronco is presented. Yeah, it's up straight up since the Bronco was. It looks great. GBTC a laggard? I wouldn't say so. It's up on the day. It's a slow mover, but it is Alright, I'm gonna do one last scan and then, oh my god, Livongo, fuck you. Oh, yeah, Tandem is now breaking higher. A lot of stocks are breaking higher. CS is breaking higher, that one we are long. Alright. Ford worst car you ever drove? FJ Cruiser, what is that? FJ Cruiser. Toyota. I don't know, man. This Bronco, just going by the looks, holy shit, this thing looks great. I mean, this thing looks so fucking awesome. Bronco, let's say 4-door. I mean, this thing is just... I really think they nailed the design on this thing. It looks so fucking good. Does look great. Raptor. That's a dinosaur. I'm gonna get a lot of pictures of dinosaur. Oh, never mind. I didn't know the dinosaur was named after a car. Yeah, this one looks good too, but... Okay, this one looks great. This is nice if you have a small dick. No, it actually looks pretty great. Holy shit, this one looks great. I like this one. Wow, okay, you're right. This actually may be nicer looking than the Bronco. Not just looks, it's all about the looks. How about the big prick? You take the metro? Ford. Yeah, I kind of like this car. What the hell is this? Now this is a car. Holy shit. Can they have a human... Do they have any size comparison for this thing? Russian. Rouge performance. Is Tesla reversing again? Lower? Yeah. EDTK. Wasn't it EDTK? Yeah. Another China education stock. How many are there? There's like 20 listed in the US now. Rouge. Let's see, what is this? Oh, so instead of Ford, it says Rouge. And some other stuff too, obviously. Engines. What engines do they have? Okay, I'm not really good at this stuff. FUV, yeah, I know it's breaking. It's too thin for me. I can't do anything with it. Okay, AAL went green. It reclaimed. So the airlines are airlines look like they're fine. Save is also okay. Save undercut the 50-day and now it's bouncing. All right. All right. What about UAL? Yeah, DAL. Yeah, they're all bouncing. What about the cruise lines? CCL, RCL, NCLH. Yeah, they're still kinda weak, but they look like they may wanna bounce. There's actually a lot of great loan setups for like tomorrow and next week. There's a lot of them. I'm not gonna lie. There's a lot of good looking setups. Hennessy Performance. Am I still liking plug? Yes. What about BE? How about BE? Well, we're long since like 3 weeks back. It looks great. What the fuck is this? Really? Holy shit. What do you need this kind of car for? Is it like 6-wheel drive? All-wheel drive? Playing Halo IRL? Would you ever hire a guy who drove that? Sure. I don't judge people based on what car they're driving. This thing is absolutely enormous. Wow, 6x6 build is 500k. Wow, that is expensive. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut the stream now. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good luck trading.